So today we are going to learn the favorite chapter of you all of you. Yes. So we are going to learn about the chapter called algebraic expressions. So students, you might have learned the simplest form of expressions in your earlier classes, right? In your earlier classes. So now we are going to deal with a chapter called what? Algebraic expressions. Yes, we are going to learn about algebraic expressions and identities in your chapter. Okay. So students, before going to what algebraic expressions are, what are the identities and where you are going to use all this, you have to know what the basic terms, isn't it? So first of all, I'll ask you, students, what is a variable? What is a constant? What is a coefficient? And what are all these things? Yes, you might have learned. But okay, I'll explain you once again all the basic important concepts which you have to know in order to, in order to understand the algebraic expression. So, first of all, what is variable?
X.
Yes, very good. So, what is a variable? Variables can be anything which is a symbols, right? So, it may be X, Y,
Z.
P, Z, N, anything. Yes, we call it as a variable. So, a variable, can I say it is a constant or it will be a varying? Yes, a variable is nothing but it is, yes, a symbol which is varying. That means the value will be increasing for a variable. Can I say this? Yes. How can I say? So, here we have x. Okay. So, this is same as it is. So, if I write x square, is it a variable? Yes. This is also a variable with increasing its value, isn't it? So, if I take y cube, okay. So, this is also a variable, but here the value is increasing, isn't it? So, if I take 3p, the value is increasing. So, all these are what? These are all the variables. That means a variable is nothing but it is a symbol which is increasing its value. Clear, right? So, what is variable? You have understood. So, now what are the variables examples you can give? Yes, 3r and 4x square, 3m square. Yes, these are all the variables of the examples, right? So now let's discuss about what are constants. So students, what is a constant? Have you ever seen constants
Numbers.
anywhere? Yes, constants are nothing but what? They are the numbers, isn't it? So generally, any number 5, -3, 2, 8, 10.
+1.
Yes, +1. Yes, very good. These are all what? These are all the constants. That means their value is fixed, right? -5 means, sorry, 5 is 5 only. It will not get increased until unless we add any other number to it, right? So, constant is nothing but the value is a fixed one. Okay, that's why we call it as a constant. Okay, the value will be fixed. Whereas in the variable, what we have observed, the variable can be increased or also decreased. Okay, so it increases generally with its value, right? So whereas constant is a, yes, like numbers, generally the numbers are denoted for the constants. Variables means generally the alphabets, okay, are denoted for the variables. Remember. Yes. Next, terms. let us know about the term. So what are terms? Have you ever used the terms in your mathematics?
Like terms, unlike terms.
Yes, very good. We have many terms. That's nothing. They are nothing but terms include, yes, the variables, that is y, and also the numbers, that is 3 or y plus 3, x
3y
minus 2, okay,
3y
6y, okay, combination of 7xy, okay. So that means terms are nothing but what? They are either alone variables, either alone constants, or the combination of, yes, the constant and the variable, or the product of the variable and the constants. Okay, understood, right? So terms are nothing but it generally includes all the variables and also all the constants. Okay, these are we are calling as these are terms. Understood, right? So these are very important because these are the basic things that you have to know before going to an algebraic expression. Yes. So we have learnt about the term, right? So term means what we have denoted? Yes, it is either a single variable or it is a constant or combination of the constant and variable or the product or of the constant and, yes, variable, many things, right? Yes, many things, isn't it? Yes. So in the terms we have two types, students. So what are these? Like terms
unlike terms
and unlike terms. So what are the like terms and unlike terms? Can you say? Any of you have remembered?
3x.
Okay. Yes. So like terms are nothing but generally they have the same variable. Yes. So like terms are the terms which are having the same variables. Variables means what? What I have said? Yes, like x, y. And in the other terms also y, x. Right? Yes. So can I write 2xy and 3xy? So can I say both are like terms, students? Yes, I can say because here the variables are same xy, xy. Now 3y square and 3z square. Now can I say both these are same like terms or not? Can I say? No, because here we have the variable y, here we have the variable z, because, yes, so that's the reason these are what? These are unlike terms. Okay, so the terms which have different variables, then we can say that those considered into a unlike terms, and the terms which have the same variables comes under the category of like terms. Clear, right? So whatever the coefficient be, the coefficient I'll let you know. Okay, so whatever the coefficients be, but the variables should be same in the like terms and the variables are different in the unlike terms. So this is what all about the terms. Clear? Next, now let us know about the expression. Okay, so yes, so what is expression, students? That means we are giving expressions like laughing, becoming sad, or very anger. These are what the expressions generally we say, right? But what are actual expressions in the mathematics? Yes, they are somewhat different, right? So that means it's nothing but, and expressions are nothing but which includes all the, yes, variables, constants, everything, students. Okay, so I can say, yes, I can say an expression is a symbol which expresses something, right? So, in general, what is expression? In general, when we are happy, we are going to smile. So, that means we are expressing something with our face, isn't it? In the same way, expressions are nothing but in the mathematical terms, these are the symbols which are going to express something. That is nothing but the expressions. Clear? So that means I can write here, yes, x plus y minus 2. So can I say this is one of the expression? Yes, that means it is expressing what? Some addition and the subtraction between the variables and also the constant. So this is a complete expression. Can I say x square plus y square, yes, is equals to xy something? Yes, this is also an expression, right? So an expression is nothing but it is the symbols or the variables and constants which are giving to, which are going to give some value. Okay. So in the expressions we have two types, students. What are they? Yes, one is variable expression and the other is a numerical expression. Let's see. Variable expression and the other one is a numerical expression. Yes. So variable expression. What does variable expression? That means obviously it is going to consist of variables, isn't it? So what are variables? We already have learned. What are variables, students? Yes, anything like x, p, y, z, anything, right? So that means variable expression contains only the variables, that is x plus y minus z. So it does not contain any numerical expressions. Okay, that means it does not contain any numbers. So completely consists of the variables only. That variable expression is nothing but it is called as a variable expression. Clear? Next, what is numerical expression? Numerical expression is nothing but it does not contain any variables. It completely contains of what? Yes, the numbers itself. That is, yes, 3 plus 2 minus 1. So this is what? This is completely of the numbers, right? So that means it is called as what? Numerical expression. Variable expression means it consists of the variables. Clear, right? So this is what the expressions, generally what expressions are, how they are going to be defined into the variable and numerical expressions. Clear, students? Yes. Yes. So till now what you have learned? Yes, the basic things, that is, first thing, what is a variable? What is a constant? What is a term? And what are like terms and what are unlike terms, right? And then you have expressed what is an expression, isn't it, students? Now let us know about the algebraic expressions. The, yes, important chapter. Here we are going to discuss is the, yes, the important chapter we are going to define. The important chapter we are going to discuss is, yes, algebraic expressions and identities, right? So now you know what is expression, right? So now what is algebraic expression, students? Can you say? Yes. An algebraic expression is nothing but the expression which consists the terms, variables, and both the terms and variables, yes, are called as an algebraic expression. Okay. Yes. So what are algebraic expressions, students? Algebraic expressions are the expressions which consist both the terms as well as the variables, or it can be either the variable alone and the, yes, the terms alone. Okay. So these are all what? United by the basic operational, that is the basic arithmetic operations. By using the basic arithmetic operations, yes, an expression is formed. So I can say that an algebraic expression is, yes, how you can write the definition, students? The expression which is having variables So this is the important definition of what? Yes, the algebraic expression. So students, now yes, repeat it. What is algebraic expression? The expression which is having variables. Variables are nothing but x, y, z. We all know. The expression which is having variables are having terms. Terms are what? Combination of variables and constants, right? And constants, right? Yes, having variables or having terms and constants combination. Okay, so are said to be the algebraic expressions. Also, it can be said that expressions which are formed, how they are forming? By two or more terms by using what? The fundamental operations. So can you say, yes, what is a variable? Yes, an expression which is formed by using the variables, right? By using the variables, constants or the terms, both, okay, is equals to by using the what? By using the fundamental operations, isn't it? So can I say 5x plus 3y is equals to 2 is an expression? Yes, it is an algebraic expression, okay? Or I can also say 5x plus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. This is also an expression. And I can also say 3x square plus 2y minus 5y is also an algebraic expression. Why I am saying algebraic? Because it is going to combine with the fundamental operations, right? So understood, right? Clear, right? So till here. Now, are you clear what is algebraic expression? Yes. Yes. We have learned what is an algebraic expression just now. So let us know what is the degree of the algebraic expression. Okay. Yes. So what is the degree, students? Degree, highest degree will say, right? So degree is nothing but, yes, whatever the highest value of the particular expression, then that term is nothing but, yes, that coefficient is nothing but, sorry, the highest degree of a term, that particular term, we are calling it as what? Yes, we are calling it as a degree of the algebraic expression. So I'll write the example. Yes, 5x square plus 9x minus 2. So this is an algebraic expression, right? So can you people say what is the degree of this particular expression? What is the degree here? Yes, the degree is nothing but what? The highest value of the term. So here we have the terms, different terms we have, right? So what is the highest value? Yes, that is 2. X square is the highest term, right? So obviously degree is what? 2. Degree of an algebraic expression is nothing but the expression of the highest degree of a term is degree. Yes. So what is the degree of an algebraic? So what is the degree of an algebraic expression, students? Degree of an algebraic expression is nothing but the highest degree of a particular term is called the degree of an algebraic expression. So now let us take another example. So x cube plus 5x square plus 3x. So can you people say what is the highest degree in this particular expression? Yes, it's nothing but x cube. That is 3. You have to say the power. Okay, so degree is nothing but the power of the highest degree, highest term. Okay, so here 3 is the highest degree. Clear, right, about the degree of an algebraic expression? So whatever the highest term is there, yes, highest degree of a particular term is there, then we are calling them as a degree of the algebraic expression. Clear, students? Yes. So far what we have learnt in this class? Yes, we have learnt about, yes, what is variable, what is constant, constant or nothing but coefficient is also one and the same. Yes, we have learnt about the variable, constant, yes, semi, term, and what all we have learnt? Yes, in the term we have learnt about like terms, unlike terms, isn't it? And yes, we have learnt about what is an expression and then what is an algebraic expression. And next, degree of algebraic expression we have learnt. Yes. Yes. Can you see, students? Yes. So what all we have learnt in this class? What is a variable? So variables are nothing but what I have said. These are the, yes, the symbols which are varying, isn't it? So x, y, z square, pq. Okay. So these are the variables. And what are constants? Constants are nothing but, yes, these are the numbers 5, 8, -6, so on. And next, what are the terms? Terms are nothing but combination of both variables and constants are nothing but the terms. So what are the combination? 5xy, okay, 2x square, 3xy, isn't it? So like terms are nothing but xy, same numbers, same terms are nothing but same coefficient. That is, same variables are termed as like terms. 3xy and 5xy are like terms. Unlike terms are 2x square and 5xy. Variables are here the different. Okay, this we are categorized into unlike terms. Next, what is an expression? Expression is nothing but it is giving some particular value. And what is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is nothing but an expression which is going to contain all the, yes, variables and having constants and terms together, and it has been expressed by using the algebraic, by using the basic arithmetic operations. Yes. Yes. How can I write 5x square plus 2xy plus 3? Okay. Next, degree of an algebraic expression. So in this, what is the degree? Yes, we can identify degree of an algebraic expression is nothing but the highest term of a particular expression. In that we are going to identify the degree of an algebraic expression. Hope you have clearly understood the basic concepts of the chapter algebraic expressions and identities. We are going to learn some more concepts regarding the chapter, yes, algebraic expressions and identities in the coming class.